In this video, I'll show you how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. First, open the PayPal app or website and log into your account. Then tap Send or Send and Request. Enter the recipient's name, PayPal username, email address, or mobile number, and make sure the details are correct before moving on. PayPal says you can send money this way from both the app and the website. Next, type the amount you want to send, choose the currency, and add a note if you want. After that, why PayPal should show the payment type options. Select Friends and Family. In some places, PayPal also labels this as sending to a friend. Then choose your payment method, like your PayPal balance, linked bank account, or card, review the details, and tap Send. One important thing to remember is that PayPal says the Friends and Family option only appears if it's available for that payment. It may not show up in every country or for every transaction. PayPal also notes that personal payments aren't covered by purchase protection, so this option is best for real personal transfers, like sending money to relatives or friends, not for buying items from strangers. Also, once you send the payment, PayPal says you usually can't cancel or reverse it, so double-check the recipient and amount before you confirm. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.